George Washington, when he was 5 years old, he got a pair of pants. That is true. He had to wear dresses for the other times. George Washington's chore was giving firewood. That was his favorite chore. And his favorite thing to do was riding horses. Did you know that George Washington was a very good president? That's why we have President's Day, to cheer for the presidents who are good. So come on.
United States.
The United States. They share of come on, United States. Say the Pledge of Allegiance. Everyone say the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.